What is up, guys? Marco Colbert, Speed Recovery Finish Network. Alright, so we're renovating the building. I know I've been lacking on uploads lately. Sorry, but I've been very, very busy. So I want to show you guys a little trick today because I know that wood prices under the current climate has gone through the roof. So I want to show you guys how to restore wood without replacing it, because obviously, like I said, the cost is just too dramatic today to replace wood, especially if there's a little bit of life left in it. You can fix it up. We're at the shop. We got these windowsills, very rotted. They're very soft. They're falling apart. Just very, very bad shape. However, there still is a good bit of solid wood there, and I do believe we can restore them. So we got some all-purpose general interior, exterior putty. We also got a little bit of fiberglass resin just to help the material flow out a little bit flatter. We're gonna go ahead, throw a couple nice scoops of filler on there, and then you're gonna add your hardener. I usually mix about 1/4 of the can at a time when I'm doing DIY home projects like this. So 1/4 of a can, we're gonna squirt out about 1/4 of the tube of hardener. That's pretty easy. And that's about good right there. Thin it out about 10% with our fiberglass resin. Just 10%, guys. You don't want to over thin this stuff, because then it's just going to go on way too thin. It's going to run all over the place. You want just enough fiberglass resin to help it flow out flat. There you guys have it. Next day, paint fully cured up, finished result. Not extremely straight, but you know, a lot smoother than what it was. And honestly, standing like 5 feet away, it looks great. Looks really, really good. Looks like one solid piece of wood again. So, not bad. The paint for the building, we're using the Valspar Season Flex. For 143 bucks for a 5-gallon bucket. They offer a lifetime warranty, so if anything ever chips, cracks, fades, chalks up, they will replace the paint for free. So head on down to Lowe's, guys. They have everything we used in the video today. They have the all-purpose putty, which went up about $5. You could get it $20 a bucket last year. It went up to $25. They have the Valspar Season Flex. They'll tint it any color you want for free. 143 bucks a bucket. Very good paint, remains flexible, has good adhesion. Definitely got to check that out. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me restore this wood, and I hope this gives you guys a little bit of hope as far as maybe not replacing all the wood on maybe a rotted out garage or rotted out project that you got. With a little bit of sweat equity and a $25 bucket of putty, you really can bring some solid life back into old wood. That wraps up the video, guys. Like, subscribe. New videos every week.